Keenz, yeah. Prince, yeah, guess kid from my corner, just Nelly. Noise, noise. Noise, noise, noise. Noise, noise, noise. I ain't only noise, noise, noise. Some perica, yeah, nice, 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 nice. Me, I be the calme, my head on Jolly hot. Some voices outside sounding like that very morning clock. C'est vrai, on a qu'à s'entendre en capote. No lay a man like that, keeping them down low mode. I tell I made it in, Jolly chakara my brain. I use my money pay and bet it one cost me a pain. Why do this to a brother, or talk back to a brother? The thing go turn be like we was all without a mother. The film not done that, I'm making scenes for the neighbor. A couple booty clappers, but you couldn't get a favor. It like I bring a mother, could compare me to get bitter. 100 on repeater, why you be so stunned and bitter? I'm feeling so void, of course I can't talk. Some perica the fight done, it made my quad hard. Remember 7 Jacka, I be the holy port. Now man no pass a level for the jigger with him up. The film not done that, I'm making scenes for the neighbor. A couple booty clappers, but you couldn't get a favor. I hear some noise coming from a woody dog. I see some kind of ass like it's looking for support. Damn, other guys are bringing out the phones. Put this on replay, even on your V-tone. It like I bring a mother, could compare me to get bitter. 100 on repeater, why it be so stun and bitter? Me a Cyril, my grand them, cause I couldn't fight them. Yes, I know say mange for avoid them. These guys are fun gaga to have fun. These guys are fun gaga to have fun. These guys are fun gaga to have fun. Yeah. Yeah, guess kid from my corner, just Nelly.